So what is your name?
Kira Henry.
What school do you go to?
Portland Northern. Hi. Yeah.
What's your current grade? What grade are you in?
9th grade.
What subteam, or how many years have you been in robotics?
0. This is my first year being here.
What subteams are you on?
Electrical, and that's all I know so far.
What is one of your favorite memories from robotics?
Making fun of Oliver for his disorganization of the robot.
Okay. What do you like to do outside of robotics?
Reading, sleeping. That's mainly about it.
What's your favorite book?
Ooh, my favorite book? Ooh, Beautiful Venom.
And then, what is one fun fact about yourself?
I like Star Wars.
So thank you for your time today. You are good.
So what is your name?
My name is Taylor.
What subteams are you on?
I'm on build.
What school do you go to?
I go to Northern.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 11th.
So, 11th grade, are you looking, what are you going to do in the future?
I am.
What are you going to do in the future?
I am looking into getting into engineering.
Ooh, do you have a school in particular?
I was looking into Kettering, however I am open to any others.
I mean, whoever you can get you in for free, right?
Exactly. Less I spend, the better.
Right. How many years have you been in robotics?
This is my first year.
What's one of your favorite memories from robotics so far?
One of my favorite memories was going to Kettering and collecting the little trinkets from the stands.
What do you like outside of robotics?
I like to sew and bake.
What do you like to bake?
For the past couple years, I've been baking Swiss cake rolls and stuff like that.
Okay. That's good. And then, give me one fun fact about yourself.
I gotta think about that one. I'm not a very interesting person.
Okay.
I'm CPR certified.
So thank you for your time today. You are good.
What's your name?
My name is Kanan Tonser.
What subteams are you on, Kanan?
I'm in build, and my secondaries are electrical and CAD.
What school do you go to?
I go to Portland Northern.
Okay. What grade are you in?
I'm in 9th grade.
Oh, okay. How many years have you been in robotics?
Technically this is my first year, but I did robotics in 6th grade.
What are some of your favorite memories from robotics?
Sending cans really fast into the floor.
Sounds like fun. What do you like to do outside of robotics?
Bowling and marching band.
What's your best bowling song?
I just got it today. It's 185.
Okay. What's one fun fact about yourself?
I'm smart.
Thank you for your time. And that's it.